Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl.
Hi there, I'm James Raymond with the Raymond Company Accounting and Tax Service Incorporated with yet another tax tip for you. Today's tax tip is going to deal with educational credits. You may not be aware of this, but there are 3 very different educational credits available to you. The first credit that we're going to talk about is actually a deduction. This one is called a tuition and fees deduction. This is a maximum of $4,000 per year per individual, and you can take this as a deduction against your gross income. So it's basically an adjustment against gross income. So let's say you made $45,000 and you did the $4,000 maximum tuition and fees deduction. Your income would now be $41,000, and you calculate tax on that $41,000 from that point forward. So you definitely want to take advantage of this deduction if you would like to. I don't particularly like this one, but you may find it to suit your situation. The second educational credit we're going to talk about today is the lifetime learning credit. This is a nice credit. Let's consider an example so you can truly understand the lifetime learning credit. Let's say that you have a child. They finished their undergrad in 2009. Now, 2012, they're going back to college to obtain a master's degree. Now, this child can definitely take advantage of the lifetime learning credit. Now, to help you fully understand the lifetime learning credit, lifetime learning credit is a 20% times the tuition paid. And then you come up with your total lifetime learning credit up to maximum $2,000. So in order to get the maximum lifetime learning credit, you need to spend about $10,000 on school. Now if you do this, you can obtain the $2,000 credit. Now this is a credit directly against your tax liability. So let's say you owe the government $4,000 and your child goes back to school seeking out that master's degree. Now you can wind up only paying $2,000 in taxes. So you definitely want to try to consider taking advantage of this credit. This credit can also even apply to an older person, 30, 40, 50 years old, going back to college to obtain their master's degree. So the credit is available not only to younger individuals, but as well as to anybody going back to college for a master's degree, PhD, doctorate, whatever you're going to school for, you can use this credit. Now, the third educational credit we're going to talk about today is the American Opportunity Credit. This is my favorite credit. Now, so let's say you have a child that finishes high school in 2012, and they're just starting college. They're going up to college, or they may be going to a local university. This credit is my favorite one because you can use it as a tax offset as well as a refundable credit. So let's consider an example. Let's say you spend $5,000 on your child going to college in 2012. You're about to file your tax return, you're getting all excited, trying to figure out which credit is best for you. So in this case, you'll qualify for $1,500 as a tax offset as well as a $1,000 refundable portion. So you can truly see the value in this credit. So this can truly help you get some money back in your pocket as well as offset your tax liability to the IRS. So you definitely want to consider which educational credit is going to be best for your situation. Everybody's different, but if your child just finished school, it's a no-brainer. You definitely want to be using the American Opportunity Credit so that way you can offset your taxes as well as put some money in your pocket. So if you need help with figuring out which of the 3 educational credits you want to claim, you can visit our website at theraymondco.com, or you can email me at theraymondco@cs.com, or even feel free to give me a call at 504-737-7290. I'd be happy to assist you with that.
New text message received.